Dear students, in this lecture, we will prove some basic results on convergence of series of real numbers. So let us see first theorem or first result. Let A and B, let A and B a convergent series of real numbers be a convergent series of real numbers converging to A and series of and B and B another series B a convergent series of B a convergent series of real numbers then this series an plus bn, the series an minus b1 and series can, where C is real number, fixed real number, constant, are convergent and we have these results. Series of an plus bn converges to a plus b. This series converges to a plus b. That we could write as value of series an plus value of series bn. Second, series an minus bn, converges to a minus b and it equals to series an minus series bn. Also, value of series Cn equals to Ca, which equals to C times value of series An, which equals to value of series An. So proof: note that the series converges if and only if its sequence of partial sum converges. Series is convergent if and only if its sequence of partial sums convergent. If this sequence converges to A, then series also converges to A. So value of this series is nothing but limit of its sequence of partial sum. This basic idea we will be using in the proof. So let for each n belongs to I, we define for each n belongs to I, define we will consider 4 sequences of real numbers. These sequences are partial sums of the series an, series bn, series an plus bn, series an minus bn, and series can. So I think we can consider 5 sequences. These are partial sequences of this series. So let us see its sequences of partial sums. Okay. So for each n belongs to I, define Sn equals to a1 plus a2 plus up to an. Tn is the sequence b1 plus b2 plus up to bn. Then un equals to a1 plus b1 plus a2 plus b2 plus up to an plus bn. Vn is equal to a1 minus b1 plus a2 minus b2 plus an minus bn, and wn is equal to ca1 plus ca2 plus up to can. So these are sequences of partial sums of the series an, bn, an plus bn, an minus bn, and cn respectively. As it is given that this series converges to A, as series an converges to A, that is its value is equal to A, and series bn converges to B, that is its value is equal to B, we have limit of Sn is equal to A and limit of Tn is equal to B, because value of series is nothing but limit of its partial sequence. Hence, limit of Sn plus Tn, so sum of two convergent sequences is again convergent, and you know that limit of sum is sum of limits. So its limit is limit of Sn plus limit of Tn, that is equal to A plus B. Again, limit of difference of two sequences, two convergent sequences, is difference of limits. So limit of Sn minus limit of Tn, that equals to A minus B, and finally limit of Sn is equal to limit of Csn constant into Csn equals to C times limit of Sn that equals to C into A. So it means that the sequences of partial sums of these three series an bn, an minus bn and cn are convergent. Hence, these three series are convergent. So let me finish off the proof with this understanding. Hence, we can write, hence, this series an bn, an minus bn and cn are convergent. Why they are convergent? Because their sequences of partial sums, Sn plus Tn is sequence of partial sum of this series. Sn minus Tn is sequence of partial sum of this series, An minus Bn. And Csn is sequence of partial sum of the series Can. So they are convergent. Hence, this series are convergent. And further, their value equals to this. So a plus b, that actually equals to limit of Sn plus Tn, and this is what we wish to prove. So better I could write this as limit of Sn plus Tn, and that equals to a plus b, which we have proved. Okay. Similarly, value of this series equals to limit of Sn minus Tn, which equals to a minus b, and finally it is equals to c times limit of Sn, and that we have seen it is equal to Ca. Okay. So this is what we wanted to prove. So in this result, we have proved that sum of two convergent series is again convergent. Difference of two convergent series is again convergent. And if we scalar multiply the series, its convergence is not affected. Okay. So this is algebra of convergent sequences. Sum and difference of two convergent series. Thank you.